Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we'll be looking at one of the most beautiful Swatch chronographs of all time and also one of the most desirable models out there. This is the Swatch Grand Prix SCJ 101. As you can see, the watch is in mint condition, meaning it was never worn. As you can see, the watch strap is immaculate, you have no scratches, and also a very cool feature is that it comes with the original box and papers. So if we take the first sheet out of the box, you can see that it has the original papers from 1992, and also you can see where it was bought. And also on the back of the case, you can actually see it writes SCJ 101 Grand Prix. It is a little bit worn off, but nonetheless, this is the original case, box and papers that the watch came with. So this is quite hard to come across, an original Grand Prix with the original strap in mint condition and also with the box and papers. This is already the second model that we have on our website, so make sure to check it out, link in the description below if you are interested in buying it. You can see that the colors look very good. Also, you can see that the watch is ticking, so we have a new battery inside and it keeps very good time, so accurate time. Also, the chrono function is working. Let's see that. Here we can see that we have started the chrono. Here we can stop it and then reset it. So guys, as you can see behind, we have a few more chrono watches that just came in. All of them are in mint condition. So if you want to see a video about them and the condition that they are in, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also, once again, if you are interested in purchasing any of these watches, make sure to go to vintageradar.com, link in the description below. Thank you guys, and see you on the next one.